Penang industrial per square feet, actual price trends and top 3 factors to consider when buying industrial property in Penang, Malaysia. Hello everyone, I'm Miss Ewan, your industrial property insider in Penang. Today, I'm excited to share some fresh insights from my latest analysis on secondary sale prices per square foot using our very recent spreadsheet data for both Penang Island and the mainland. Let's jump right in. On Penang Island, our latest data shows a striking contrast in industrial property prices. For freehold properties, Bayan Lepas leads the pack at 1,030 ringgit per square feet thanks to its top-notch infrastructure, proximity to the airport, and a dynamic industrial ecosystem. Conversely, for freehold properties, Jelutong offers the most affordable price at RM 575 per square feet. And if you are considering leasehold properties, Batu Mau stands out with an incredibly low rate of RM 152 per square feet due to its less developed industrial activities and more peripheral location. Moving over to the mainland, our findings differentiate between leasehold and freehold industrial properties. For leasehold industrial property, Batu Kawan now shows a price of RM 411 per square feet, which is a reflection of its rapid development, improved connectivity, and a promising growth prospect. For freehold industrial property, Bukit Minyak at Jalan Industri Tangkas tops the chart at RM 692 per square feet, underscoring its value in established industrial zone. On the budget-friendly side, Tasik Gelugor is the clear champion. For leasehold factory sales, prices here are as low as RM 24 per square feet only, while for freehold industrial property, a detached factory in Tasik Gelugor sold for just RM 37 ringgit per square feet. So why these differences? It comes down to 3 key factors. First, location and accessibility. Areas like Bayan Lepas and Batu Kawan benefit from proximity to major transport hub and established industrial clusters, driving up demands and prices. In contrast, Tasik Gelugor offer more affordable entry points, which is ideal for investors looking for value. Second, infrastructures and amenities. Regions with robust utilities, quality facilities, and enhanced security naturally command higher prices. For instance, excellent connectivity to the airport and Penang port in Butterworth boosts its premium, while freehold properties in Bukit Minyak reflect top-tier industrial setup. Third, growth potentials and market trends. Consider Batu Kawan if you don't mind the leasehold title. Its rapid development and strategic government initiatives signal strong future growth. But if you prefer investing in freehold properties, my advice is to consider second-tier estate near Batu Kawan such as Sungai Bakap and Valdor. Meanwhile, Tasik Gelugor's low prices suggest it is still maturing, presenting an opportunity for significant value appreciation as the area develops. For example, if you are planning an investment, choosing a property in Bayan Lepas might mean tapping into a well-established hub with proven demand. On the other hand, an assets in Tasik Gelugor could offer significant upside if future developments drive growth. Before we wrap up, a quick reminder, while our data reflects past transactions and current trend, it should serve only as a guide and not as an absolute forecast. Always consider the latest market conditions and do your own research before making any investment decision. That's the latest snapshot from our data. If you have any questions or need further details, drop a comment below or get in touch with us directly. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates on Penang industrial property market. Thanks for watching and happy investing.